What's good, YouTube? My name is Dennis,
My name's Bobby.
and we're Burnout Car Care. And today we're changing the brake pads and rotors on this 2016 Chevy Equinox. Let's get it. Alright, first of all, get your 7/8 and crack the bolts before jacking it up. Now we're jacking it up.
We're gonna go right on the frame. Got the wheel off. Take this brake hose bracket off. Right there. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is get this brake caliper off. We're gonna be using an 18mm socket on this bolt right there. Second. We're gonna take some metal wire and tie it up to the spring.
Easy peasy.
We took the drill to the wheel hub, got it cleaned up as best as we could.
Alright, so what are you doing, B?
Time to put the new rotors back on. We just wiped them down with some brake cleaner real quick. Now I'm just gonna slap it back on.
Check.
Alright, we're gonna slap the caliper back on, get that back into place, and then we're gonna take the guide pin bolts off and just replace the pads that way. Nice. Nice, dude. Alright, using a 14mm socket, we're gonna get this first top bolt. Now on the lower. There it is. Cool. Alright, got the old pads out. Before you put the new pads in, we're gonna compress this piston on the caliper. What we're gonna do is take the old brake pad that was sitting along the piston, clearly. We're gonna put it up against it. And then we're gonna use the quick grip to compress it. But before we do that, we're gonna open the brake fluid reservoir in the engine bay. That one in there.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Equinox. Oh. There we go. Easy enough. We're gonna go ahead and reattach this piston. Now with a 14 millimeter socket, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these. We just need to get this line back.
Got all the caliper back together.
Half inch to get this bracket. All right, wheel is going back on.
All right, same thing for the driver's side. We're gonna jack up the car right on the frame. All right, same thing on this side. I'm gonna take the brake hose line off, or the bracket off, using the 1/2 inch socket. All right, 18 millimeter. Set that right there for now. Got this T30 down here. Can you see it at all or no?
Yes.
Let's get this fucking caliper back on. Nice one. Getting the guide pin bolts off, again with the 14mm. Alright, let's slip these brake pads out.
In. It's decent.
So at the moment, when I'm trying to tighten this guide bolt, the back of it is spinning here, so I'm going to be taking a pair of pliers and holding it while I tighten that bolt. Brake line bracket back on. Alright, so we got it all wrapped up.
Easy enough.
Yeah, everything feels great.
Yeah.
Steering wheel isn't shaking anymore. It's another job done.